densities of irregular and regular objects. In this case, we have an irregular object in our diagram. It has the following mass. Density is mass of a volume. So we got the mass, so we need to get in and calculate the density. We have to, in this case, we have an original volume of 50 milliliters, and then the final volume is 75 milliliters. So it looks like a regular object, which looks like a rock, but we're not sure because it doesn't say it. Must have caused our liquid to rise 25 milliliters. So if we subtract 75 milliliters, which is the final, minus the initial of 50, we know the object has 25 milliliters because that's the space that it's taken in the liquid. So then we would use our equation, D equals to M over V. The mass is 35.1637 grams. The volume would be 25 milliliters divided, and your answer should have a unit that says grams per ml because we're dividing grams over milliliters. The following cube is a regular object because it has a length, a width, and a height, which is true. It's a cube, so they're all the same. And in this case, we would plug in the information for the mass, which is 67.25 grams, and we would divide it by centimeters. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, so it would be 8 centimeters to the third, or cubed, or cc, because we have centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, or centimeters 3 times. So mass is 67.25 grams divided by 8 centimeters cubed, and you would get an answer which would have the final units of grams per centimeters cubed. And then it's saying what material could the cube be made out of. You need to look on the sample list with all the densities, and whatever density matches the one that you calculated would be the material which the cube is made out of. Next, we have a material that we have a rectangular prism that has a mass of 194.40 grams, and we know that it has a length of 6 centimeters, a width of 3 centimeters, and 4 is its height. So in order for us to calculate its volume, we need to do 6 times 3 times 4, which is 72, and then we have centimeters once, twice, 3 times, or centimeters cubed, or centimeters 3 times. So 194.40, which is the mass, divided by the volume, 72 centimeters cubed, will give us an answer, which we then could use the material list with the densities to match the one that we calculated, and then we would be able to identify which object, which material the rectangular prism is made out of.